Hey, it's your boy FreshyFletch, and I'm back with another video. This video is actually on self-esteem, and if you're watching it today, I'm guessing you want to better your life. In this video, we're really going to focus on having low self-esteem, how to build that up, build up your self-esteem, build up your self-confidence, just so that you feel better about yourself, so that you're not going through the day with this dark cloud and rain over you, and instead it's nothing but sunshine and rainbows and yeah, you get the picture. But anyway, so stay tuned for the video. If you do like my video so far, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to support your boy, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see every video, you got the notification bell. And if you want to interact with me or the community, leave it in the comments. Anyway, without further ado, enjoy the video. Hey ladies and gents, so in this video I'm going to cover 5 of the most important tips that I can think of when you're working on your self-esteem. Each one of these are extremely important. No, they're not the only 5 things that you need to do to ensure that you have high self-esteem or high confidence, but at the same time these are 5 of the very important ones that came to my mind when I thought of the topic. So starting with number 1. The first tip I'm going to give is to work on yourself. So usually the root of low self-esteem or low self-confidence is that you feel that you are insufficient or inadequate in some type of way. Well, you need to pinpoint what those areas are, and then you can work on them. For instance, oh, I'm not very funny. Well, watch some comedy shows. Or, I can't hold conversations very well. Well, watch my video on talking to people. But whatever it is that you feel like you're lacking in, go get a book. Go watch a video, go study, and better yourself in those areas. As you become better in those areas, you will get more confidence as well. Tip number 2 that I would recommend for anyone who is trying to build their self-esteem or self-confidence would be to work on a skill. That's right, to get something that you're good at and just do it to a higher level. What happens is when you become good in one area, one aspect of your life, some of that experience and that confidence actually trickles over to other things in your life. For instance, I like to play pool. So I begin to play pool, and I play every week, and I go to tournaments, and then, I won some trophies, and now I feel a little bit more confident about my ability in pool. But also, now if I'm going to play something else, like let's say table tennis or ping pong, now I'm a little bit more confident because I already have previous experience in a different sport or a different activity that I'll play to a higher level. So tip number 2, make sure that you learn a skill. Tip number 3, yep, you guessed it, it is exercise. A lot of people, when they have low self-esteem or low self-confidence, it comes from lack of exercise. Usually the person may feel like they're a little bit out of shape. They don't like the way that their body reflects in the mirror, which is perfectly fine. We all have something that we need to work on, but you need to start working on it. If you need help with working on it, check my first video that I ever posted a couple weeks back. You can go check it on my channel, A Fresh Start, where we're going to make you better your life, and go check it out, and it will help you get into the mindset of how to exercise and how to do that consistently. But very important, make sure that you're exercising frequently, whether or not you have low self-esteem, just to keep your body healthy, and you'll live longer too. Step number 4, you want to make sure that you achieve your goals. In order to achieve your goals, you need to set goals. If you want to set goals, you can check out my video that was centered around setting goals. So what happens is when you set a goal and you achieve it, your mind gives you endorphins, which actually makes you feel good about yourself. And that will also boost your self-confidence because you know that you have the ability to achieve things that you want to achieve. And what that's going to do is it's going to trickle on into other things in your life. When you see something that you want to do or you want to get done, you'll think, oh, well, I was able to do this before, so I can probably do this too. So make sure that you're setting goals, you're achieving them. If it's a big goal, set it up into bite-sized pieces. The best way to eat an elephant is one bite at a time. Or small goals, make sure you're achieving, make sure you're following through and you're achieving each one. Goal number 1, done. Goal number 2, done. Goal number 3. And as you do that and you repeatedly have you repeatedly achieve your goals, you are going to become naturally more self-confident, and you're going to believe in yourself more than if you hadn't done that. And last but not least, step number 5. Step number 5. Hey y'all, don't forget to support your boy by hitting that subscribe button. Also, you will be notified daily when I come out with videos. Anyway, I'll let you get back to it. Talk to more people. Yes, I said it. Talk to more people. The reason why you want to talk to more people in order to raise your self-esteem is because when you speak to people, you get to see a different perspective and different aspects of life that you would not have seen if you're on your own. When you speak to more people, you're going to start to realize that you're not the only one who has insecurities. You're not the only one who has doubt. You're not the only one who thinks certain things. Everyone has these feelings, and it's normal, and you need to come to terms with that. What you need to do in those situations is work on yourself, work on a skill, exercise, achieve your goal, and talk to more people. What that's going to do is going to kill some of the insecurities. Of course, there's always going to be some type of doubt there left if you're a human, but the doubt will be so small that you won't even be able to sense it or hear it anymore because you're so doped up on positivity that you cannot hear anything else. So that's what I recommend you do. I just went through the steps, but I go through it one more time. Work on yourself. Whatever you feel like you're lacking in, go study. YouTube is a wonderful thing. Just like you're watching this video, go watch another video or one of my videos on something that you want to get better at. Work on a skill. Pick something that you're already good at, or pick something that you want to learn that's new. It doesn't have to be pool like I do, or basketball or whatever. It could be whatever you want that you think is cool. Just learn how to do it and follow through with it. The third thing, exercise. Stay healthy, stay alive. Enough said. Fourth, achieve your goals. Remember, just like I put in the videos before this, make sure you're working on it. If it's small goals, keep up and ante. And if it's a large goal, break it into smaller pieces. Because the best way to eat an elephant is one bite at a time. And lastly, talk to people. We were all put on this planet together. If we weren't meant to talk and interact with each other, we probably wouldn't be on the same piece of land. We'd probably be in different different solar systems or something. So talk to more people. It's going to make you feel better about yourself. You're going to build some good interactions. You're going to get some new friends. It's amazing. That's the best. Aside from everything else, actually, everything in this list is equally as important. Just make sure you're following these steps and you're guaranteed to see improvement in your self-esteem. All right, and just to wrap up, those are the 5 important things that you need to know and you need to follow if you want to build your self-esteem. Once again, hit that like button if you like the video. If you want to support your boy, go ahead and hit subscribe. And also don't forget the bell so that you see every video the moment that it comes out. If you'd like to interact with me or the community, put it in the comments. FreshyFletch in the flesh. Peace.
Can you do that for me?